Product review, Thetford Smart Tote 2. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Mary.
And Tony.
And this is Stella. And we are the RV Nomads 365.
The craziest RV channel on YouTube. Coming at you live. Alright, today we're going to do a product review on the Thetford Smart Tote 2. We've had it for about 7 months.
Yeah.
We've had 3. This is the Smart Tote 2 is the newest. Right. The other 2 are gone. Mary, give them some specifics on it.
Okay, before I give you the specs on this model, I want to let you know that we purchased this with our own money. This was not given to us by the company, and we do that because we like to give an honest review.
What?
So
we do it because nobody sends us anything.
That too. I mean, we would totally do a review if somebody sent it to us for free, right?
Yeah, nobody sends us shit.
Like a folding e-bike.
Yeah, nobody sends us anything. We have no subscribers. Nobody's sending us anything.
Damn it. Okay. So the Thetford Smart Tote 2 LX is 35 gallon. It has 4 wheels. They have an it's called auto leveling gauge that makes sure that the water doesn't overflow. And Tony will show that to you in it. It's got an expandable...
That's the vent. It's also the vent.
The vent. It's got an expandable bracket.
Handle.
And you'll see that
Some might call the bracket a handle.
Right. And it's supposed to be their best, greatest, newest, most awesomest one. So I'm looking forward to seeing if that's true or not.
Well, we'll have to find out. Let's get started. Hey, sorry about the noise. They're chopping down some trees. So we'll go quick. Here's our Smart Tote. I'm going to show you some of the features. The handle here hooks to the ball of your truck on the hitch, so you can bring it on down to the dump station. Okay, the vent is here. When you fill it or when you dump it, you've got to push that down to let the air in so it will drain. And this also lets you know when it's full, because it raises up. I can't really grab it, but anyways, it raises up when it's full and it seals it so it doesn't overflow. And then over here, you attach the hose, you pull your gray and black, and then you bring this to the dump station. Okay, so I had a little bit in the black. I've dumped it in here. I had a little bit in the gray. We dump like every 3 or 4 days. These are for parks when you don't have hookups, full hookups. We have electricity and water here, but we have a dump station, and we're not moving the trailer. All right, so I'm gonna make sure everything's closed up here, and I'm gonna pull this off. See this? I'm gonna open this door. Oh, the door, oh, it's broke, so we don't need that. Okay, and it comes with a lid to put on here. Oh, a lid that almost never stays on. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It almost never stays on. This is how I get covered in shit all the time. Okay, I think you're starting to figure out where this product review is gonna go, huh? Okay, so ideally you'd set it up and you put the door back down, the broke door. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna attach it with a bungee. We ordered a new door, it hasn't come yet. All right, so I have the bungee here. I attach the bungee down here, and run it across here. It's the only way. You can't move the tote without that door being attached. Okay, all right. So at least I have that secure. Okay, now with the handle, I'm gonna bring it to our truck.
Okay.
Oh, that's right, this broke too. I'm gonna fix this. This is some super cheap plastic, not metal, it's plastic. It's not even PVC. It's just like plastic that you get in a toy for your kid. So of course it broke. Here's the piece that broke earlier today. It breaks all, there's always a part breaking on this thing. And let me just show you a couple other features. These wheels here, and the wheels back there. I've broken one of those wheels. These wheels are terrible. When you're at a campground that you need a tote, these are not campgrounds that have concrete and grass and that are beautiful, because those have full hookups. When you are at a place where you need a tote in a dump station, those are dirt road type places, and you need better wheels. Better stay until the end, because I'm going to dump it at the end and show you how.
Yeah.
And I get covered in shit half the time when I do it. It's not good. All right, let's go. Okay. This is some cheap ass plastic. I have some screws I'm going to put in, but I'm going to have to drill holes first, because if you tried to tap them with this screw, you just crack the plastic and destroy the handle. Also, if you've ever watched any of our other how-to videos, stainless steel screws. Why? Because they don't rust. This thing sits on the back of our ladder when we're not using it, and I don't need these screws to rust. So stainless steel. Here we go. Okay, I put 6 screws in, and I know what you're saying. You go, those screws are so little. Yeah, they're little because I don't want to put big screws in with big threads that might crack this. Okay, it's not holding it up, it's just stopping it from opening. And then, Mare, if you want to get on the other side here. Okay, I put the screws in where they come in here, so they're not poking through. Because when we store it, that handle's flipped underneath. And if there were screws sticking out, it would jab the tote. Let's go to the dump station and see what happens. Okay, let's hook it up. Oh, hit a tree branch, the wheels don't really go over too well. But that's okay, no problem for us. Okay, all right, now it's hooked up to the ball. I'm gonna drive it down. Mary's gonna get some footage. Oh, don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell.
Subscribe.
Get this, stretch it out all the way, take the cap off. Okay, put this on. You have to line this up before you tighten it, so it's, would it be perpendicular to the hole? Because if you try and move it after, it pops right off and you get covered in shit. Now you'll see people that dump their tanks, they wear gloves. When you get covered in shit like 20 to 30 times, you just don't care anymore. That's where I'm at. I haven't just died from any hepatitis or any diseases yet, so I figure I'm immune. So anyways, okay, so now I have this ready to go. I'm gonna open this up. This is the vent. I'm gonna push it down. Okay, another little trick I've learned is take this, keep this higher than the tank so the shit does not rush out. And line it up. Now it seems good. As soon as I let this down and the force comes through, this is gonna want to loosen immediately. Oh, the shit's coming out. Oh, there it goes. Okay. This is going good. This happens maybe once every 2 months that I'm not covered in shit. So it's going good. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. So we're not out of the woods. Many times I thought, oh, we're good. We're not good. Okay, I'm gonna lift it up and get the rest of the crap out. Okay, if you come over here, it does have where you can wash it out if you want to wash it out. We dump it every couple days, and we have a lot of gray water, so I don't really worry about it. Okay, I'm gonna set this down. We're gonna go do this in reverse now. All right. Okay, I'm starting to think I'm home free. Okay, we put this back, we get the lid, we put the lid on. Now a little crap, this is nothing for me. I'll eat this, this is nothing for me. Okay, we squeeze it in. Okay, done. Okay, I gotta be honest, at this point I think we're good. Hey, do you like your tote? Leave a comment below. Let us know what you have, because we're going to be looking for another one.
Yeah, we're going to be in the market to buy.
And let's help people out. Let's all get the good one next time. Yeah. Don't suffer like we have.
No.
Bear, smell my hands.
Nice.
I did good. I did good. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.